Hi friends, Namaskar. I Yaguttar Sharma welcomes you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. This is the next video in the series of well-being. In our last video, we had discussed about food, a very little bit about the food, which we will discuss in later videos. And I had given a question to you that what is the food meant for us? And what we actually eat, is it made for us? We will discuss in further videos. Before proceeding ahead, I request you to see the videos, like them, share them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as any video in any section of Future Pro YouTube channel is launched, you get the information immediately and you don't miss the video of your area of interest. In this video, we will talk about how the naturopathy works and what are the principles of naturopathy treatments. Number one, principle of naturopathy is that naturopathy feels that every disease is same. So the treatment. In naturopathy, the treatment for every disease is done in the same manner. And normal the other therapies say that bacteria or virus or germs are the cause of disease. Naturopathy don't agree with this principle, because suppose a family lives in a same environment, a 4%, 5%, 6% living in the same environment, but the diseases they face are different, are always different. Whilst they are living in the same environment with the same bacteria, same germs, even they have the diseases in a different. How can it happen? It depends the nature of a person's body. How the body of a particular person in that family reacts, acts, in the same manner the disease is born. Third principle is acute diseases are not enemy. Acute diseases are friend. For example, diarrhea, we get the vomitings and loose motions, etc. This is the activity of body, the self-cleansing activity of the body. So nobody need to afraid of this thing, because it's an acute disease and the body is cleansing itself. So because the nature is itself a doctor. The nature is itself a doctor. Now, if we talk of the naturopathy treatments, the treatment is done of the entire body, the entire unit, not of a particular disease. This is the basic principle of the naturopathy. In the naturopathy, no diagnosis is required, because we are not going, the naturopathy do not treat a disease. It treats the entire body. In naturopathy, the time taken is little more for the chronic diseases, but it's sure the person is cured 100%. It takes time more because when a naturopath treat, entire body, the diseases which are suppressed because of other unnatural therapies, they overcome. So person feel that instead of getting cured, it's getting more worse. But is the being, because the entire body is being treated, so every toxic material is coming out of the body. In naturopathy, the treatment is done on 3 levels. Number 1, to cure the disease on the physical level, on mental level, as well as on spiritual level. As we said in earlier videos, that when we say we are healthy, so for being healthy, it's necessary we have to be healthy on these 3 parts or 3 levels: physical, mental, and spiritual. So, and no medicine is being given during the treatment of the naturopathy, because nature itself a doctor and nature knows how to cure a body. I again say, come close to the nature. And being come close to nature doesn't mean you go to the forest or you go to the hill station. You just start living your life in accordance with the rules of the nature. And be sure you will never fall ill. I end this video here. Thanking you for watching.